Hello, sir.
Hi.
How can I help you two today? My name is Boston. This is my coworker named Pete.
Hi.
Hope you guys are having. Hope you guys. Oh my gosh. I don't like the bad. Okay. Follow me. Oh god. Ah. Sorry. Please follow me. All right. This is a 2021 Range Rover VR. This is a 21. It's got a nice Hellcat motor in it. And it was taken care of. It has a Georgia plate on it, which is pretty nice. It's pretty nice. So, and we have another VR, but it's a 2020. It's painted in white. It was taken care of by a good person that decided to trade it in. It was a good car to them, but they decided to get something else. For like a Defender, I'm not sure what they bought it. I'm not sure what they bought, but it was taken care of. As long as it was pretty good. What's up? What's up?
When are we ready, Lightning?
You want to trade that piece of junk? So So are we buying two
When can we
cars or
go
just
do
one?
it? We're still
Here,
waiting.
just one. Okay.
I'm
And
so
you guys
bored.
know we have the Oklahoma City Range Rover Defender. We have the OKC Defender from the Thunder. Oklahoma City Thunder actually sold this to us, so that's why painted in blue. This is crazy. Yes, it's the real Oklahoma City car. It's the real one. I'm not even kidding you, sir. It's the real one. And actually, this car is pretty simple. We have an autobiography. This is an autobiography. Yeah, this is an autobiography. A two? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the Idaho version of the version Range Rovers. Actually, they are pretty nice, if you ask me. It's pretty cool. And we have this, last but not least, the dark blue, famous Defender. This is like a little guy. It actually is compared to that Oklahoma City one over there. It's just a little different, but it says new on it. Like they just put brand new on it, and it's pretty nice. All I know that the person who owned it is they had some mic issues, so that's why they came trade this in and got it fixed up, and was like, let's put it on the lot. Yeah. So okay, make your car choice. You want this white one? You want this white one? Ooh, I figured that. This is a nice white one here. It is a really nice good one. Good. Well, Leaf, what is
Are we
your car?
ready, Lightning?
What is your car choice? You want to buy? Oh, you want to buy the VRs?
Are we ready?
I thought you would buy the Defender or
For him.
the autobiography. I thought.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. We can have you buy this one then. Okay, so follow my coworker Pete to his desk, please.
Follow me right this way, gentlemen. Have a seat. Okay, so these cars are this. The white biography is a little newer. And the blue one is a little older. The blue one's a little older, but these are both $265,000 per car. So this is gonna be a total of $465,000 for these Range Rover VRs. That's your total. Yep, each car said since you buy it since you're both going for the VRs. Well, happy birthday to you, Mr. Son. All right, $465 is your total, and I need paperwork for you, and I'll hand you the two keys for the cars. Right. I want the sun to shine his like one. Alright. Cars are all yours, boy. Cars are all yours. Hey, you gotta take care.
You two take care. If you have problems, I know. I know you're pretty sure you got rid of that. Take care of them. Bye, you two. Have fun.
Weekend. Very soon I'll have a wreck in the game. Oh,
Unlock it, Amtrak.
thank you.
Unlock it. You need to unlock yours. Unlock your Range Rover.
Got it. No problem though. Okay, let me unlock my car. With this.
Alright, just leave.
Alright.
I don't know how this accident happened. Oh!
Hey!
Hey! Ow! He just pushed me down. He just pushed me down.
What happened?
This guy just.
Oh.
Look at this. Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir. Your son is being ridiculous.
Andrew, are you okay? What just happened?
No, I got sick. I can't move.
Let me help
I
you.
think I hurt my
Like me.
legs.
Help him up. Help him up.
Andrew got sick.
Ugh.
Uh-oh. Here comes the police.
Oh.
Hey!
Oi! Oi! Thunder? Are you kidding me right now? Huh?
What is that?
You better stop. Just calm down over here. Just calm down. You know the police are here, you know.
Want me to help you?
No.
Hello? Anybody there?
Amtrak.
Please help me up. I need to go to the emergency room.
1, 2, 3, up.
How can you stand
Can you
there?
please take me to the emergency room, please?
And we don't have an ambulance for at the moment, but I can tell you this. I could give you some medicine. Okay, sir, Mr. Honeyman. Yes, yes, you promise. I will give you a free repair.
Eat watermelon with braces. Water.
Why did you laugh?
You're welcome. Tell your son the car will be fixed. Yeah, you be a good boy for your dad, sir. And thank you, JP, for the apologies. I accept your apology. Oh, no. I agree. Employees, back to the Blind Blue Defender. Amtrak and Lightning. Never miss the intro back.
This way.
Bye, Leafman fans. Bye, Leafman fans.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye,
Goodbye.
Leafman fans.
What the?